This week we're going to highlight the latest crop conditions and progress here in the U.S. for corn. We're also going to take a look at the latest weather trends as we get into the grain fill period in August. We're also going to turn our attention to Brazil, where we're seeing a historically rapid corn harvest. And we're going to wrap things up with a long-term view on December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into the month of August here, and that means it's time for grain fill for corn. Let's take a look at the latest crop condition ratings from the USDA. Now we're looking here at an improvement in crop condition ratings in the latest week. Notice nearly universal east of the Mississippi River, we did see some improvement in most key states. However, in the far west, North Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, we saw some deterioration also in Texas. Overall, though, 68% good to excellent, 55% at this time last year. Let's take a look at the history of the crop condition index now. We actually saw an improvement this week, and we're looking at one of the highest levels in recent years, only surpassed here at the end of July in recent years by 2018 and 2020. Now let's take a look at crop progress. We're looking at corn silking now. We're at the tail end of corn pollination here now, and we're looking at the next 2 weeks on average. Corn silking increased approximately 18% between July 28th and August 11th. So with normal weather, we'll be looking at corn silking or pollination approaching that 95% level by the second week in August. Of course, you know how critical weather is during corn pollination and grain fill. Let's take a look at the short-term weather trends. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at the last 30 days. And this is why the corn market's been under so much pressure here. With the exception of southeast South Dakota and sprinkled in here and there other areas, including Kansas, very little significant dryness here. We're looking at 30 days, again, approximate subsoil moisture. A lot of that area is light green, which means slightly wet, and other areas at normal conditions. Let's take a look at the short-term forecast as we move into August. We're looking here at a hot range of temperatures the next 7 to 9 days. Hottest will be in that red area here, far western Corn Belt. But as you move across the Corn Belt, still looking at above normal readings. What about precip? We're looking at through Friday of this week, though, some rainfall accompanying these hot temperatures. Moderate, low to moderate chance in that green area, and the best chance or high chance for 1 to 2 inches of rain will be across that pink area. A lot of corn in that pink area. Let's now look ahead to next week, August 6th to the 8th. We got a change coming. From the north, a cool front's going to move down and break that temperature, hot temperature streak. It'll be accompanied by some rainfall of 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. So again, moving into that first full week of August, plentiful rainfall across the Midwest and some cooler temperatures. Let's quantify rainfall totals now over the next 2 weeks. You can see here again, quite a bit of the Midwest is either normal or slightly wet over the next 2 weeks as we enter grain fill. Let's turn our attention now to harvest progress in Brazil. Let's take a look at where that corn is produced in Brazil. Key states here, north to south, include Mato Grosso, Goiás, Minas Gerais, Paraná, and Mato Grosso do Sul. Looking now at progress, 86% done nationwide versus 57% last year. Remember, the faster that corn gets harvested in Brazil, the quicker it will move into the world pipeline to compete with U.S. corn this fall. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in December corn. December corn, as you tape here on Tuesday, has tumbled at $4.05 a bushel. Notice from here at the end of July still, through that crop insurance period in October, still quite a bit of price variability has been seen over the years, both to the upside and to the downside. That's why we strongly encourage you to continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.